Everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 4 to the power of 9 minus 1 to the power of 9, we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working in this paper. So here for this we need to rewrite this algebraic expression as in this form. This is 4 to the power of 9 and we write it as 4 cubed and its whole cubed minus this is 1 to the power of 9, we write it as 1 cubed and its whole cubed. Here we can apply this nice exponent law. We know that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n, because here we first write this 9 as 3 multiplied by 3. After that we will apply this exponent law and we write over this expression in this form. And after this step we will apply here the nice cubic formula. You know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, you see here the value of our a is 4 cubed, the value of b is 1 cubed. So now we apply this cubic formula here. So after applying this formula, we write our above expression as, first we have 4 cubed minus 1 cubed into here you have 4 cubed and its whole square plus 4 cubed multiplied by 1 cubed plus our b is 1 cubed and its whole square. So here we need some simplifications, and you know that 4 cubed is equals to 64 and we know that 1 cubed is equals to 1. Similarly here we can substitute 4 cubed equals to 64. It will be written as 64 square plus here again we have this is 64 and 1 cubed equals to 1 and this 1 cubed equals to 1 and after that 1 square is also equals to 1. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications. So you see that 64 minus 1 becomes here 63 and it is multiplied by this is 64 square plus this is 64 and plus 1. So now here in order to simplify further, we first need to find the value of 64 square. So you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so we can find the 64 square without using the calculator. Okay, first we need to find this square and after that we substitute this value here and we can simplify further. Okay, so first we can write this 64 square as 64 multiplied by 64. You know that a 64 square means 64 is multiplied by 64, and after that we break this 64 as in this form. This is 64 and we write this 64 as 60 plus 4. So further we multiply this 64 on both of these values and it will be written as 64 multiplied by 60 plus 64 multiplied by 4. So here you remember here you consider these are the 2-digit number and this is our 1-digit number, this is 64. So now first we multiply this 0 with this complete number, so 0 times of 64 equals to 0, and now we multiply this 6 on these two values. So you see here 6 times of 4 becomes 24. We write here 4 and we carry 2. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2 becomes here 38. So 64 times of 60 equals to 3840 plus we multiply 4 times of 64. So 4 times of 4 becomes 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. And now here in the next step we need to sum up these two values, and here you have 0 plus 6 becomes 6. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. We write 0 and carry 1 and 3 plus 1 becomes here 4. So it means that 64 square equals to 4096, and now we replace this 64 square here. So our this expression is written as in this form. So here we have our above expression is 63 times of 64 square. So 64 square equals to 4096 plus 64 plus 1. Okay, so here we need to sum up all of these values. So you see here, this is 63 is multiplied by 4096 plus 64 plus 1 becomes here 65. And now in the next step, we need to sum up these two values and we can add these values here. So 6 plus 5 becomes 11, we write 1 and carry 1. 9 plus 6 becomes here 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, we write 6 and carry 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and this is our 4. So when we add these two values, we get here 4161. So now we need to multiply this number with this 63. So we rewrite this algebraic expression as this is 4161 is multiplied by 63. So we write this 63 as 60 plus 3. So again we multiply 4161 with these two values and it will be written as 4161 multiplied by 60 plus 4161 is multiplied by 3. So here we again consider this is 2-digit number and this is our 1-digit number. So here when you multiply this 0 with this complete number, we will get here 0, and we multiply 6 with each of these value and you get here 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, we write 6 and carry 3. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 6 4s are 24. And plus here we need to multiply this 3 with 4161. So you see here this is 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, we write 8 and carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12. And now here in the next step we need to sum up these two values. So here when you add these two values, you have 0 plus 3 becomes here 3, 6 plus 8 becomes 14, we write 4 and carry 1. 6 plus 4 becomes 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, we write 1 and carry 1. 9 plus 2 equals to 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, we write 2 and carry 1. And 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is our 2. So finally we have the final simplified form of the given algebraic expression is 26, 26 and 21 and 43. So finally we write here our final answer in this form. This is equals to 4 to the power of 9 minus 1 to the power of 9 equals to 2 6 2 1 and 4 3. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.